Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lush Gardener. I hope you guys are fine and are safe. So I wanted to give you guys a quick update on all of my pups, or I would say the small little succulents that I had put up as an arrangement in this. And you can see they are looking absolutely beautiful because this place gets a good amount of morning direct sunlight for 5 to 6 hours, and you can see all of them are doing extremely well. Now this is tray number 1. They are doing extremely beautiful. You can see the colors are very well maintained, even though it has been quite cloudy, but it's still doing quite well because it gets a good amount of morning sunlight. So you can see how much of difference the morning sunlight can do. And then I have the second tray. This is doing pretty much good, but some of them are slightly dehydrated. Now this also tends to receive a good amount of light, but not as much light as what the first tray receives, but you can still see they are looking absolutely beautiful. So this is the tray number 2, which has all these small little pups that are almost reaching a good growth size. And this is tray number 3. And again, this one also has a good amount of coloration. This also tends to receive a good amount of light compared to the tray number 2, because the tray number 2 hardly gets much light, but this one also tends to get a good amount of light. And you can see all of these pups are looking extremely beautiful. So as you can see how much of effect a sunlight can do to a succulent, especially the morning direct sunlight. Now if these guys are in slightly more kind of an indirect bright light, this is the second tray, so this receives a little bit of indirect light, not much as compared to the first and the third tray. That's why you can see the colors are slightly minimum, yet it is colorful, but slightly minimum as compared to the tray number 1 and tray number 3. So these are all, and these are sitting in my papercrete pots. I had made some papercrete pots, rectangular ones, because I had a thermocol kind of a container in which I was able to make these trays, and these look absolutely beautiful. Let me give you the side look of them. So you can see this is how they look. I think the height of this is not much, that's why I have only used it for pups. Even this one, you can see the height is not much. I think it might be probably 1 to 2 inches. I'm not very sure, probably less than 2 inches in height, but that's why I have used only pups. So you can see all of them are doing extremely well. And even the first tray as well, it is in the same type of tray. Probably I'll make a video on that. So these are all of the succulents that are doing absolutely well. So guys, I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep propagating.